Let's show you how to use your manager account on the Anker SOLIX O&M platform. You can create accounts for company employees after you have activated your manager account. Please log into the O&M platform with your manager account. If this is your first time assigning roles, go to the Role Management module. This is under System Management on the left side of the page. Click New Role in the top right corner. This displays a form. Now, you can complete the form to assign roles to company employees. This will also give them corresponding permissions based on their position. To assign a role, choose which platform the added role can access. If you choose the app, then the user will be able to log into the Anker SOLIX Professional app once the account is activated. Fill in the role name and role description. When finished, employees with the assigned role will be able to log into the Anker SOLIX Professional app. If you select Web under Application Type, then employees with the assigned role will be given certain permissions for the O&M platform. Please complete the role name and description. Unlike the app, you need to select specific permissions for the O&M platform. If you like, you can enable all of them. After selecting the permission, click Save. The role will be created for the O&M platform. Let's discuss roles in more detail. There are two predefined installer roles: those who need to go on site for installation and commissioning, and those who need to monitor system statuses and data. You can create different roles based on your needs. If your employees need to use both the app and O&M platform, you must create separate roles for both application types in the Role Management section. Failing to do so may result in insufficient permissions when setting up accounts. After setting up the roles, you can add a new account to the User Management module. Click Add a new user in the upper right. There are 4 sections you need to complete to add a user account. The first part is Application Type. This assigns your employee permission to use either the Anker SOLIX Professional app or the O&M platform. If your employee only needs to do commissioning, then select App. The second part is Basic User Information. Complete all sections. Note that the email here is the one used to receive the login link and default password. Make sure it's valid. The third section is User Permissions. This section may appear different depending on what you selected under Application Type. If you selected both App and Web, you will see 2 fields: App User Permission and Web User Permission. Next, select the role name for the new account to grant the appropriate permissions. The fourth section is Associated System. If the new account is for an installer who only needs to view system information, skip this step and click Save. If the new account is for an operations employee who needs to see multiple installed systems from different installers, assign the appropriate systems in this section. To do so, click Edit, then select the system name and assign it to the user account via the check marks on the left. Click the middle button with the right arrow to import the selected system into the list on the right. Then click Save. If the account needs to see all systems and newly added systems in the future, check the corresponding box above the list. When finished inputting the information, click Save in the bottom right to create the new account. When finished, the account holder will receive an email from Anker Power. It will display temporary password information for the account. Please remind your employees to check this email after creating their account. We recommend that new users change their temporary password after the first login. If logging in with the temporary password from the email is unsuccessful, new users can click Forget Password during the login process to reset their password.